Hi, welcome to your new employee orientation for your new job at the mitochondrial matrix office. Today we're going to do a brief overview of who everybody in the office is so you're familiar with who they are and what their roles are here, and then we'll talk about what your role is going to be. Your job is working with the Krebs cycle or the citric acid cycle project, so let's go through and talk about the main players. Here's a quick overview, who's who, and what we do. This is AC, acetyl-CoA. He's the condenser of oxaloacetate and the creator of citrate. He works with the help of his assistant Cindy, also known as citrate synthase. He's very strong. This is Andy, aconitase, who is the catalyst of citrate and the creator of isocitrate and alpha-ketoglutarate, with the help of his assistant Izzy, also known as isocitrate dehydrogenase. He is very smart. This is Angie, alpha-ketoglutarate, who is the converter of succinyl-CoA with the help of her assistant Addie, alpha-glutarate dehydrogenase. She produces a lot of carbon dioxide. This is Gino, guanosine diphosphate, who is the creator of GTP, guanosine triphosphate, and converter from fumarate with his help of his assistant Sydney, also known as succinate dehydrogenase. He's pretty cool and follows all the latest fads. This is Manny, also known as malate, who is the converter of oxaloacetate and reducer of NAD to NADH. He and his assistant Fanny, fumarate, make NADH, FADH, carbon dioxide, and ATP. He likes to restart things again from the beginning. So as you can see, we produce a lot of energy here, 36 to 38 ATP per cycle to be exact. And we're looking for a new employee, that's you, to keep our NAD+, NADH, FAD, and FADH2 restocked at all times. Aren't you excited to work with us at the Krebs cycle in the mitochondrial office branch?